Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we have an unbagging to do from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so we're gonna unbag this Amazon package. Let you guys see what's inside. Sometimes these things don't want to work. Okay, so the bag's empty. Bag's empty. Alright, so these are all single rails. Of 1/2 inch. These are all Olsa tool rails. They're 1/2 inch. They're all different colors. I grabbed there's an orange. There's 2 blue, 2 green. I think these are both supposed to be red. One looks red, one looks orange. There should be another bag, probably, if I remember correctly. But we'll open these real quick. I have a lot of organization in the drawer done. So I have some metrics over here. Metric. A lot of these will not fit on one of those because they're pass-through sockets. But I have a lot of these Olsa tool rails in here. Let me turn this light on so you guys can see it. There you go. So all these are Olsa tool rails all the way back. But I needed several more rails, especially 1/2 inch rails, because I need to get rid of this tray with all of these standard sockets, and then I needed to condense some of this down, and these rails will allow me to condense this down because 6 rails will take up this space right here. So, and there's only 4 rails here on this style tray, so that's why I grabbed a bunch of rails. And I think because they're how cheap the price are, they're $12.99 a piece. Plus the last videos and last unboxing I've done of these rails, I've actually, I think I bought probably about $500 worth of rails. I could be wrong. It could be somewhere in the range of about 400. But they work well. I do like them. It is kind of neat that Olsa Tools sends you stickers for each item. So if you get individuals, you get a sticker in each. So 2, 4, 6, and I have 2 more, so 8. I have 8 stickers. And like I said in the Guess What's in the Bag video, if you guys guessed right or you guessed what it is, I will send you some stickers, because I'm not going to use like 32 Olsa tool stickers. You know. Gonna take them out the bag. I wanted to buy the purple one too, but the problem is they don't have single rails in purple. Keep dropping the bag. So this one, the sticker says orange. ALSR120R or OR. Alpha Lima Sierra Roger 1-2 orange Roger. So that one is orange. What is the other one? Let me look at the other one. No, they're both supposed to be orange, okay. ALSR 120 or OR. So these are actually both orange. This one's like a coppery color and this one's a dark red. So, and they did inform me, you know, my contact over there did inform me that they were informed that it's impossible for them to be all exactly the same shade because of the process. And it is nice that they put them on the labels. There's the blue. This one is Alpha Lima Sierra Roger 1-2 Bravo for blue. Another sticker. Same with this one. This one's exactly the same. Alpha Lima Sierra Roger 1-2 Bravo for blue. Sticker. Alpha Lima Sierra Roger 1-2 Greg Roger for green. It's kind of hard to see that. It's probably kind of blurry. And yeah, I've been on a hand tool buying kick. Lots of hand tool stuff. Ratchets. Socket rails. I also have that socket rail right there that I need to take the sockets off of and organize. There's another green. And the sticker fell. So just a quick little video, quick unboxing. The first set of videos I bought 15 rails, and that included 2 sets of 3 packs, you know, quarter, 3/8 and a half inch 3-pack in green, in orange and red, and then I got 1/4 inch and 3/8 an extra 1/4 inch and an extra 3/8 in green, red, and orange. And then these I purchased, these are all 1/2 inch, so I needed extra 1/2 inch rails, so I grabbed 2 green, 2 blue, 2 orange, and I think the other bag probably has the 2 red in it. That will check out. There's your extra hint, so now you guys can you know there's another video coming with these rails in it. You guys can get a free sticker. Now I have plenty of these stickers. So here's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have no idea where I put the other stickers at the moment. Put them somewhere. Are these? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's 6. Oh, 6 plus the other 2 rails. That's 8. Plus the other stickers I have. I don't remember where I put them, but I have like 15 or something more of these stickers. And I only use 2, one for each box. So, I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. I'll put these aside. We'll check out the other stuff that I got, and then we'll conjumble it into one video with everything that was picked up. why I like these rails. We'll talk about that, and why I like the clips, and why I like the Olsa tools specifically. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I have a link in the description below, right at the very top, with my name on at the end of it for Olsa Tools. If you click on that link, you can get 10% off anything that you purchase from Olsa Tools website. I will also leave the link for these in the description below as well for Amazon. If you're more comfortable with Amazon, no big deal. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking by and hanging around with me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!